Embark on a journey into the heart of agriculture where innovation intertwines with the soil, revealing cutting-edge marvels that redefine farming. From advanced precision techniques to the evolution of agricultural machinery, join us on a voyage that transforms fields into a realm of technological wonders. Are you ready to harvest? Apples. Explore several factors that will determine the timing of your crop harvest. The ripening times of the apple cultivars, the weather conditions throughout the year, and the crop load all play a role in determining when your harvest will be ready. Agri-harvesting machines prioritize the well-being of fruits and enhance the overall efficiency with advanced features, leading to a 30% increase in harvesting speed compared to traditional manual methods. The Irish company Cross Agricultural Engineering stands out in a field of agricultural equipment. Their potato washer effectively cleans potatoes, offering time and cost savings compared to manual labor. It proves to be a versatile and cost-effective solution for potato producers. Harvest flowers either in the morning after the dew is dried or in the evening, avoiding the heat of day. Ideally, pick the flowers in the morning when the temperatures are lower and plant water content is higher. Observing the tree shaking technique for apple harvesting is truly captivating, a gentle approach to gather nature's bounty. The production of sunflower oil involves the following manufacturing processes: cleaning the seeds, crushing them, pressing and extracting crude oil, and further refining the obtained oil before packaging. In the orange processing plant, the vibrant golden oranges are unloaded, creating a sea of freshness and color. For harvesting peron fruit, use either hand pruners or a sharp knife to cut the fruit from the tree, leaving a small portion of the stem attached. Avoid stacking them in a basket to prevent bruising, as they're susceptible to damage. This is the method for cutting and processing giant squid at the factory. Grapes are cultivated across a range of soil and climatic conditions in 3 distinct agroclimatic zones in India: subtropical, hot tropical, and mild tropical regions. The Dragon Fruit Garden in South Korea is equipped with abundant lighting, both day and night, to enhance the growth of the plants. While bitter gourd is typically directly sown, utilizing polythene bag nurseries offers distinct advantages, enabling early marketing and minimizing the need for additional gap filling. The oil collector machine revolutionizes the process of harvesting olives, providing an efficient and labor-saving method for collecting. Harvest cucumbers trees when they reach a minimum length of 6 to 8 inches, ensuring they have dark green skins and a firm texture. Optimal harvesting on the earlier side guarantees the enjoyment of their sweet flesh and tender seeds. The United States has successfully implemented mechanized harvesting for irrigated corn. This robot excels at selecting mushrooms for harvesting with greater precision than I do when choosing flowers for my girlfriend. While the majority of tobacco production is now dominated by large corporations, there remains an opportunity for individuals to cultivate their own. With a bit of knowledge and a considerable amount of patience, growing tobacco is legal, yet it can be a demanding process. Follow these steps to embark on your journey of cultivating your own tobacco. In Southeast Asia, various nets, including drift nets, scoop nets, set nets, and nets, hooks, and beach scenes, are employed to harvest edible species of jellyfish. This fruit harvesting machine acts as a reliable assistant in managing this challenging task, simplifying the entire process significantly. These eggs undergo multiple sterilization steps before their shells are cracked open, resulting in perfect yolks. Grapes thrive in both temperate and tropical climates. In tropical climates, the vines maintain their evergreen nature. For grapes intended for raisin production, it is recommended to leave them on the vine for an additional 3 to 4 days. This walnut husking machine is a game changer in walnut processing. It streamlines husk removal, saving time and effort while guaranteeing top-notch quality nuts. A must-have for every walnut farmer. Explore the avocado's journey from field to plate. The efficient harvest, thorough washing, and precise processing showcase the seamless integration of modern agriculture and culinary innovation. This is heaven for the strawberry enthusiasts. The harvest, a ballet of hands, efficiently plucks ripe strawberries, ensuring the sweetest bounty reaches our tables. From garden to basket, it's a seamless dance of nature and agriculture, creating a symphony of flavors in every strawberry picked. This harvester seamlessly uproots and collects carrots, boasting impressive dimensions and capabilities. The machine precision and speed are nothing short of impressive, making light work of what used to be a labor-intensive process. These machines are colossal beasts, devouring the fields, turning grass into neatly compressed bales at a rate that leaves us in disbelief. This giant machine swiftly transforms vast fields into harvested landscapes, showcasing the impressive synergy of size and precision in modern agriculture. Like a bedding spreading wizard, it outshines traditional methods, enhancing efficiency. The advanced technology is truly impressive, making it a standout in crop maintenance. This harvesting machine operates with astonishing efficiency, like the combined efforts of hundreds of workers. This machine is a game changer, elevating cabbage harvest into new heights. The grass bundling machine is a revolutionary powerhouse, effortlessly packaging for easy transport and storage. Cutting-edge technology for a seamless, efficient operation. Have you ever witnessed such deliciously fresh pomegranates? Experience how farmers craft premium quality dried pomegranates from the finest fruits. This specialized machine swiftly collects green onions, streamlining the process with precision and speed. It's a remarkable display of agricultural innovation, transforming fields into a symphony of mechanized harvest. While it may appear to be a playful watermelon ride, in actuality, this is a specialized tractor machine outfitted with a tailored fruit picking system. The shovels are not needed here because this giant machine has efficiently handled the transportation task. This potato planter machine is a blessing for efficient potato farming. It guarantees accurate and timely placement of each potato into the soil, making the planting process a breeze for the upcoming season. Ferrari's fast block transplanter with 3 6-row modules and the Vraki Drive Caterpillar from Bapak can transplant up to 8 m wide at 130,000 plants per hour, suitable for various vegetables. Potato harvesting machine in action, a remarkable blend of technology and farming efficiency. Grass cutting machine neatly lines up the harvest. Precision farming at its finest. Explore the future of fresh, sustainable salad greens with our cutting-edge lettuce cultivation greenhouse. So amazing, all the leaves and grass are cleared in the blink of an eye. Smaller fishing boats engage in shrimp baiting to catch shrimp, typically involving marking a spot in the water and bedding the area with balls containing substances like fish meal. The hands at work skillfully pluck numerous ruby gems from the trees, performing a dance of precision and care. The harvesters, like guardians of a fruitful treasure, collect a bountiful harvest that reflects both hard work and a deep connection to the land. The tomato harvesting season on the farm typically kicks off when the tomatoes achieve full red ripeness. This period spans from 50 to 85 days from the initial sowing. The 2.8 million TPS have transformed into frogs. Onions are harvested easily and quickly, thanks to this machine. We harvest. Bell peppers are being carefully harvested, ensuring none are overlooked. It's truly impressive. Texas consistently claims the lead in this ranking, boasting a staggering 13.7 million heads. On warmer days, hundreds of cattle from this farm are gathered on the outer premises. Behold the citrus harvest revolution. This orange harvester operates on an unprecedented scale, gathering tons of oranges in a matter of hours. The sheer efficiency is mind-boggling, surpassing manual efforts by leaps and bounds. This wheat harvester effortlessly reaped dozens of tons in a single sweep. Its staggering capacity defies belief, outclassing traditional methods by a mile. Its efficiency and scale are truly impressive, with dimensions that dwarf its predecessors from just a decade ago. This agricultural beast, armed with advanced technology, collects tens of tons of peanuts with unparalleled precision. Nowadays, the process of transferring sugar beets into the warehouse has become easier than ever before with this special design. This machine efficiently cuts and blends grass, enhancing the overall quality of animal feed for livestock. To achieve a bountiful harvest, this sprayer acts as a guardian, preventing pests and insects from harming the vineyard. Catching tuna at the sea demands the use of professional nets and fishing gear. Monitoring schools of fish, employing lighting, and utilizing supportive equipment facilitate the fishing process. For numerous years, South Dakota has consistently held the 6th position among states with the highest cattle production, based on statistics as of September 2023. With incredible precision and unmatched efficiency, this mushroom harvester outshines its predecessors. It easily clears the whole mushroom in the blink of an eye. Protecting tulip fields is a visual symphony with a pesticide spraying machine. This high-tech marvel ensures the health of the blooms. The efficient and precise application is both impressive and necessary for safeguarding the vibrant tulip landscape. In large-scale facilities, the washing process is frequently conducted using substantial washing sinks and water sprays. This employs a sophisticated water streaming system, subjecting peppers to an advanced washing process. Modern automated craft processing machines and excellent fishing expeditions yield hundreds of tons of Alaska king crab with state-of-the-art vessels. Look, this innovative harvester delicately gathers lavender blooms with precision, embodying the harmonious blend of technology and nature in modern agricultural practices. The crushing power of a colossal pumpkin processor effortlessly turns massive pumpkins into a fine pulp. This cutting-edge machine is a marvel of efficiency and technology, rendering manual efforts obsolete. Like a mythical creature in the field, it outshines traditional methods by a significant margin. The advanced technology at work is truly impressive, making it a standout in sweet potato harvesting. This corn harvester excels in efficiency, harvesting corn crops with precision. A technological marvel catering to the future of animal nutrition. Like a hungry monster, this machine impressively harvests corn quickly. Farmers are always innovative in devising new farming methods to increase yield while minimizing environmental impact. The livestock pens will always be kept clean and minimize disease transmission when equipped with this machine. The first time I saw this stranger plower, it's amazing. Harvesting tens of tons of carrots is just a simple task with this harvesting machine. The grass tiller is a machine designed to cultivate soil around plants while avoiding damage to the roots. This machine quickly cuts a large amount of grass to feed cows. The hydroponics garden is a dedicated area for cultivating water-based vegetables and plants. This machine is an unstoppable force, leveling everything in its path. The furrow-making machine is a device used to create furrows in the soil for planting seeds or crops. Wow, farmers can now save a lot of time and labor cost by this simple harvest tomatoes tool. Tomato harvesting machines are crafted to automate the process of picking ripe fruit from the plants. They employ various mechanisms, including conveyor belts and sorting systems, to gather the tomatoes and separate them from the vines and other debris. Combining advanced machines with human labor ensures the efficient gathering of ripe peppers while preserving their quality and freshness. This apple harvester is a symbol of cutting-edge technology, works like a mythical creature, surpassing expectations with unparalleled performance. It's a true spectacle in the world of farming machinery. In the realm of racing years, sorghum has consistently stood as one of Nebraska's pivotal crops, serving key roles in forage, cereal, and ethanol production. Presently, the majority of sorghum cultivation in Nebraska is dedicated to fulfilling these multifaceted purposes. Alaska's commercial fishermen operate in one of the world's most challenging environments. They brave isolated fishing grounds, high winds, seasonal darkness, very cold weather, icing, freezing temperatures, and spend days upon days away from their families. Tomato varieties, environmental conditions, and care practices play a role in determining the timeline. As a rule of thumb, tomato plants usually take anywhere from 50 to 85 days from planting to yield their first ripe fruit, depending on the specific variety. Step into the world of tomato harvesting where innovation takes center stage. The tomato harvester before us is a true standout, boasting mind-boggling efficiency that defies belief. Marvel at the cutting-edge corn harvester, a technological giant in efficiency. Its power and size surpass predecessors, outperforming hundreds of laborers. An agricultural marvel in action, these giant watermelons, dwarfing past produce, move seamlessly onto conveyors, loading onto trucks with breathtaking efficiency. An awe-inspiring display of agricultural innovation. The automated planting system is indeed the future of farming, seamlessly integrating technology and agriculture. It is an efficient machine that transforms corn plants into valuable resources for agriculture. This machine can swiftly cut and grind dozens of trees in a matter of seconds. Today, ginger is automatically cleaned and made safe for packaging and delivery to our customers. Look at that, the bananas seem to be gliding as they go by. For harvesting pomegranate fruit, start by sterilizing a pair of pruning shears with rubbing alcohol. Then, carefully snip the pomegranate off the tree, ensuring you cut both the fruit and its stem as close to the main branch as possible. The horn melon, also recognized as the kawano, is dried in vivid orange skin and adorned with horn-like protrusions. This exotic fruit is truly a marvel, captivating both in its appearance and its delightful taste. Thanks to its vibrant orange skin spiked with horn-like protrusions, workers are harvesting tomatoes in a field in the San Ynez Valley in California. At numerous tomato farms in California, the optimal time for harvesting tomatoes is when they are still green, allowing them to ripen off the vine. Have you ever savored the most expensive eel globally, priced at up to $35,000? They surpass even the cost of bluefin tuna and come close to the value of gold. At the time in Washington, the period from early August to September is typically when the blueberries are ready for harvest. During peak days, migrant workers often labor from as early as 2 a.m. to gather billions of these berries, following the standard harvesting process. Let's explore a beautiful kiwi farm and experience the most advanced machine harvesting kiwis with precision and speed like never before. So amazing and unbelievable. The tomato harvesting season on the farm typically kicks off when the tomatoes achieve full red ripeness. This period spans from 50 to 85 days from the initial sowing. The 2.8 million TPS have transformed into frogs. Onions are harvested easily and quickly thanks to this machine. We no longer have to worry about the field suffering from irrigation water shortages with this modern irrigation system. The deep soil plowing machine meticulously prepares the earth for a fruitful harvest. Have you ever experienced the delightful surprise of biting into a fruit that leaves you amazed? Allow me to introduce you to the camarillo, also known as the tomato tree, originating from the vibrant landscapes of the Andes Mountains. This brightly colored fruit is a true culinary delight that promises to tantalize your taste buds. Onions are ready for harvest when they reach an appropriate size. However, for optimal storage, it's best to initiate the harvesting process when the leaves begin to droop or show browning along the edges. Distinguished by its reddish-brown scaly exterior, this fruit stands as a coveted delicacy. More than just a wild plant, this palm is cultivated for its exquisite fruit, held in high regard for its delectable qualities. The timing of the crop harvest is crucial, ensuring not only the physiological maturity of the potatoes but also the appropriate sugar concentration for storage and processing. Modern machines invested in by American farmers play a crucial role in safeguarding potatoes. Asian carp catches occur in regions such as the Mississippi River Basin. Additionally, in smaller areas, Using electric shock to control Asian carp populations is a frequently employed solution by fishermen. Derived from the Malay word for hair, rambut, the rambutan is the product of a medium-sized tropical tree. Its fruit boasts a whimsical hairy exterior, setting it apart from its close relatives such as lychee, longan, and palasan. The method of capturing and processing 1 million razor clams with incredible efficiency is noteworthy. Eels commonly consume frozen, single-item foods and can be fed using a feeding prong to avoid accidental bites for the aquarium keeper. Katsuobushi is dried, smoked, and fermented bonito, sometimes referred to as skipjack tuna. It is also known as shaved bonito or more broadly as okaka. Chiramanjako, dried young sardines, are young Japanese anchovies and Japanese sardines boiled in salt water before being sun-dried or using machines. Thank you for exploring the wonders of agricultural technology with us. If these cutting-edge TD farm have impressed you, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't miss out on subscribing for more captivating glimpses into the world of agricultural tech. Your engagement keeps our curiosity alive.